Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm here at VVS Finance and you can see my total is just under 400 bucks. So today is a sad day. VVS Finance, I quit. I'm bailing out. Why am I bailing out? Well, here's my problem. All right, started with $1,000 in VVS and it has crashed to under 400. That's a problem. Now, if we go look at the mine, initially this was over 1,000%, and now 16.15%. I am never going to make up the amount that I've lost in VVS, and it's going to be a real problem. Look at all the tokens that are staked. This number, okay, that is the trillions. So it's 3.9 trillion tokens staked. And that is why the interest has dropped so much. So it doesn't even make sense to leave it here anymore. So what I'm doing today is I am unstaking. Now the unstaking fee is 0 because I've been in here for a long time. Alright, there's the last action I made, 326. That's a while ago. So I'm unstaking everything, taking it all. So should be no fee. Well, except there is a fee. What the heck? So I did not think there would be an unstaking fee to do this. That's unfortunate because it even adds to my losses even more. Now, CRO is about 38 cents, 39 cents, 40 cents. So it's another 80 cents on top of my $600 loss or so. So, okay, I guess I can't complain too much if it actually goes through. Now, I've had that issue before here at VVS where the network traffic was too high. I've had to try to unstake it multiple times when you guys saw in my previous videos where I've done that. And very disappointing. But it looks like it managed to go through. So at least that's good. So what am I going to do now? Alright, let's go look at the mines. I don't have any staked. So we have 16%, or we have 15%. We have Sky. We can stake VVS, xVVS, and earn Sky tokens for 141%. That's pretty good. We can stake for 132%, or for single, which don't even get me started, has gone through the floor. It's only worth about, the initial, when I bought in, was about 50 bucks worth. It's skyrocketed to $123 worth, and now it has plummeted to about 20 bucks. So, single token, another token I want to stay far, far away from. You can see all these other tokens, VShare, NES. Now see, TUSD, I have faith in, stablecoin. However, it's only 38.87%. And you stake VVS. So that's cool. But with the amount of VVS I have, I don't think it's going to be worth my time. As you can see here, it ends in 85,000 blocks, which is in like 5 days. What's the point? Alright, unless I have a lot more tokens. Alright, you can see all these are limited time only and really not worth my time. The thing that I liked about where I just unstaked from was the time was unlimited, which is probably why everybody staked their tokens there, and it got over 3.9 trillion. So, all right. See, there is no time limit on this one. I've already turned on the mine, but 16%, not worth my time. Where am I going with this? So, xVVS, look at that. 55% right off the bat. You can see I have some in there right now. Let's go take a look at the vault. I have some in the 6-month vault and some in the 4-year vault. And you can see my earnings are pretty pathetic, but the return 120%. That is outstanding. You can't really beat that, although the earnings are pathetic right now. So if I go back to stake and I say stake more, I can check out the rates. Now, you can see we can stake VVS tokens. We can stake them all. Stake 50% of them. I don't know really what I want to do. What do you guys think? I'm not really sure. But I got to do something with these things. All right, let's go 50%, and it's going to convert it to xVVS. So slightly more than one apiece. Okay, I guess, whatever. And it looks like we'll have a 55%, which is decent. It's going to cross the CRO. Wow, they're really nickel and diming you for every single transaction here at VVS Finance. Another 40 cents. Not even sure this is worth it. So, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, let's go look over to the vault. Now I could deposit more VVS into the vault and get higher rates. But I'm not sure I want to do that right now either. So I'm just staking as normal. You can see my value. And you can see the amount I have in the vault. So I think that's all I'm going to do for today. It's a pretty decent return, 55%. I can live with that. The other place I want to go back to and check out is the farms. Alright, looks like we're having some decent returns here, 20%. You can see my CRO VVS, 91.51%. Now, I might increase my stake here as well. Not right now, so be sure you subscribe for future videos, because I am going to make another investment here. Even VVS USDC, another stable coin, outstanding return, 95%, with a smaller risk of capital, but still some. So anyway, guys, tell me what you guys think, and be sure to subscribe for more updates. Here's the other mine that I have, and it looks like not really yielding as much as I would like. 50%, not bad, but not great. Back to the dashboard, we see we should have not changed at all, but the transactions may not have been fully processed yet, so it's possible. Alright guys, I think in the future VVS could potentially go up, but with all the additional tokens out there, unless they come up with a nice burn plan, I am not very bullish. Let's put it that way. because adding trillions of tokens to the supply is not going to make the price go up. So keep that in mind when you're investing, and be cognizant of the dilution potential when you stake VVS or xVVS into one of these options. That's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.